Hey everyone, I wanted to talk about a fun technique called lifting. So, there is this notion that in watercolors you cannot fix mistakes. I just wanted to say that if you choose to fix them, there are ways around it, and lifting is one of them. So, my paint layer is wet, the first layer. I'm going back in with a damp brush and drawing a line, lifting off the excess onto a rag. And as I keep repeating it, you can see more color gets lifted off. As simple as that. I can even do it for a wider area. And once the area is cleaned up, you can go back in with a different color and fill it up. So it's pretty easy to fix it. Depending on how staining a color is, the pigment is, you can it decides how white the area is going to be. This is pretty good. I'm going back in with a rag, and you can see it's almost white. Now the first layer is dry. I'm going back with the damp brush again and slightly re-wetting the area. I'm trying to create a little bush kind of extension around the white area. As you know, watercolors can be reactivated. So just re-wetting it, reactivating the pigments, going back and scrubbing it, and then blotting out the excess paint. It's definitely more easy when the lifting is done while the first layer is wet, but it's definitely doable after it dries up also. Just need to have the patience to let the paint get reactivated, and also having at least 140-pound paper to start with would be a good thing to do, because a lighter weight paper may not be able to handle all the scrubbing. Here I'm using a magic eraser. It's like a sponge. I've wet the corner and going back in and lifting off the paint. Since my paper is 140-pound, it's able to handle all the scrubbing and lifting. This is the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser in case you want to try it out. It's a lot of fun, guys. Happy creating.